All right, this is Jeff. I accidentally hit the wrong button from RV Non-Honesties. All right, I turned around. This is a continuation video. I believe it's video 3. All right, turn around. There you go. All right, so this has a collar. And notice right here, this lip. That'll go in this hole to secure it better. So we put it in like that. It won't move around as much. We put this little extension on to help just get it that 2 or 3 more inches up. Okay, so it'll be really up. All right, so I'm gonna tighten this up. All right, I wish it had. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on pause, lock this down for you. All right, so she's secured. All right, now we're gonna have to figure out. Put a little tab, like right here will be one, right? So this is a quick pull bolt. So I'll make a little cable, hold down right here, and I'll probably put another one like right here, and then work my way across over to the hole, which is right there where the end of my toe is. All right, so, all right. Here we go. I'm gonna put you on pause again. All right, we're back. We're still up on top of the beast, but I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, so I'm taking some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna clean some spots up here. I'm gonna run my cable. I gotta watch my back because it's really tight up here. All right, and then I'm gonna run my cable like this, down along here, and then straight up into here, where my hole is. See it right there? All right, so I gotta go inside, put up the rod because there's nothing but insulation right there. All right, and now what you got is this thing right here. See how it's got a place for the cable to go in. All right, but it's got a rubber O-ring. All right, but you still, what you do is you seal the living heck out of this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm getting ready to go down below. My rod's gonna come up through the hole here. It's going to have a little hook, and then I can pull the cable down through. It's going to be fun, let me tell you. All right, so I'm up on this steady ladder here on top of a scaffold. It's all right. All right, here we go. Turn you around. All right, what I did is I'm going to push this down through. Get me about 3-4 foot in there, coiled up. And then I'll organize it to where I can secure it. Hold on, put you on pause. All right, so I put it through that hole. Don't forget there's another bracket, and I'll show you later. I'm going to secure all this, but I want to get it routed through first. All right, I'll show you what I did inside. See how I put the antenna over there, all right? She's bolted really good, double jam nut. 1, 2. That one I left loose a little bit. These are tight, zip ties. I put a zip tie there, and I put that extended on there, so she's going to go up a good 36 inches. All right, because remember he's got this here, takes a little bit. So let me put you on pause. I'm going to go downstairs and show you what I did. All right, so I took some mechanic wire, put it through here, okay, and it went. Well, here, how about this? How about I put some light in there? It went in here. I took this panel off right here, so I gotta secure that back up. But you see my wire right there hanging down? Ready? I'm gonna do this for you. Look at that. I'm getting better at this self-fitted. See, here you go. All right, but how did I find that when it went straight through here, all the way up to here, almost the windshield? What I did is I took my 90-degree right here. I stuck it. Remember, don't pull on this stuff because there's wires up in there. You might disengage some wires. Yeah, that'd be nice. So what I did is I stuck it up in there, and I did it till I heard that tap. All right, and then I just kind of felt it, pulled a little bit, not much. Then I reached my hand all the way up in there, folks, and it wasn't fun. All right. Well, this is how much room I got right here. to work. So we got her. All right, now we're going to fish it through this way. That's the cable. It was up top. All right. So I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to take me a break because up and down this roof, and there's the scaffolding out there with a ladder on it. Look, that's secure. All right. Thank you. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you don't have patience running cables, don't. It's if you don't, you're going to be raising your blood pressure and all that stuff. I just laugh at all this. I've been doing almost 50 years. So it's patience and time. All right. Beautiful coach. Let's keep it that way. I'll show you how to secure the cables in a little bit, but I'm going to take a break. My wife came home. I need to get something to eat. I haven't had nothing. No breakfast, no lunch. You take care. All right, folks, we're back. Let me see here. Get a flashlight. All right, so how about if I turn it around on you?